Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from A Matter of Crime, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Tries to Pay After Stealing a Cart Full of Groceries." That's the thing with these thieves, right? They always get caught and then they want to go back and pay instead of just paying for it the first time, man. And you wouldn't even be in this situation. So let's get into it. Let's see what they're talking about here.
Why am I going to jail for? Is there any way we can pay for these items?
No, there's not any way that you can pay for the items.
No, it's some circumstance that I've seen on TV.
Unfortunately, this isn't TV.
Officers responded to a local Walmart after a woman was caught in a bold scheme to outsmart the store. According to reports, she filled 2 shopping carts with merchandise and attempted to bypass the checkout line entirely.
Why am I going to jail for?
Do not resist.
I'm not resisting.
Put your bag there. Put your bag there. So,
What am I going to jail for?
You're under arrest for shoplifting.
But these are supposed to be for returns.
They're supposed to be for. See how this works is you can't take stuff from inside and not pay for it and take it out and then return it. That's called fraud. It's called stealing. That's how that works. You kind of have to pay for stuff before you return it.
Can I turn off my stuff, please? Can I turn off my stuff, please?
54, yeah, we got both detained. We can go back to main.
Is there anything I can do? Can I pay for all the stuff besides that?
No. That's not how it works.
I'm not being sarcastic.
No, I'm not being sarcastic either.
Can I-
You're an adult. You can't steal stuff from the store, 2 cartloads full of stuff, and then say, oh, I'm in handcuffs now. Now I want to return it. Okay? Is this your driver's license in here?
My driver's license is not in there.
It's not in here?
No,
Okay.
I wouldn't think so.
You wouldn't think so?
Okay. Well, can I tell them to pick up the car? Because I do have a car here.
We need to get a receipt for everything. So hold on, we'll take this
That's
one
my
too
uncle.
once he's ready.
And that's my brother.
Is that who was with you?
No, that's not him.
Who is with you?
That's my god brother.
Your god brother?
Yes.
What's his name?
Junior.
Junior?
Yes. Yes, that's it. Can you turn it off, please?
I don't even know what.
Hold on, why she got everybody else ID? She got everybody else ID but her own.
It is.
It's just on the screen. Can I just light it up, please? Can I make a call for the car?
No.
you have anything? You sticking your herming and needles in there?
No.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna go with you, so that way we can get the receipt, and you'll go to the office. What?
We'll put her in the same car with Mark. Have Mark watch the both of them.
No. They do not go in the car together. No.
You passed that already.
We were done.
You're done with that. You stole the bags to begin with.
No, that's my.
No, you stole these bags to begin with. Your sticky hands got into my stuff. Look, there they are. You even have more in your own personal bag that you just said is yours.
That is my personal bag.
And who's
And
in
I'm
yours?
moving that. I'm admitted that.
Take
it is my
that.
personal bag. Can I pay
Put
you
her
for
in
my
your car, and then he can go in his car,
I'm sorry?
and then I'll get everything started and go from there. Yeah, just start getting IDs, and we'll go from there. I'm recording, so. Food. Nice. Where were they bagging this up?
So they went into, well, they were in two different departments. They went to the shoe department where they did most of it,
Okay,
and they did some where the towels are.
okay. And they were bagging it as.
They were bagging as they were going.
Okay.
And then all the merchandise back. So I can take pictures.
All right, cool. I'll go with you.
She's gonna go right here.
So stupid.
You want me to hand it to you?
Um,
Or do you have a gun that's
I have a gun.
amount?
No, 782.93.
Felony. Perfect. I'm gonna go outside and
Another copy.
check on my guys, and then I'll come in and get you guys information, so that way you can start doing
Send me
the.
the link and all that.
We'll do all that. Yeah,
And,
perfect.
if we're trespassing.
Oh yeah. That's part of the thing. Thank you.
I don't understand why people steal from Walmart, Target, Best Buy. Yo, those things are camered up. Camered up. Like, God, you really thought you was gonna get away with that? You thought you was gonna sneak away in the aisle and start bagging everything up? That big of an amount like that? Come on, man.
I have to have someone come get that car.
Yeah, or it can get towed.
No, but then you have the keys, they won't be able to get it. So that's what I'm asking.
Well, I'll call the tow and then they will get the keys. We'll give the keys to the tow.
They live around the corner. Can they pick it up, please?
Listen, you out here committing a crime, right? You really
asking for, like,
committing a crime. We can't be. We're not going to be assisting you with what you want to do because you're committing crimes and now you want to not tow your car. Right, feet?
It's not about me not towing my car. I'm just asking politely if they can come pick it up. Can they or no? Can they?
No.
Sometimes they allow it.
What is this? Is this in pocket that goes into?
Sometimes they allow it. That's what I'm asking you.
Allowing what?
Because they won't have a car.
I don't know what you're asking me.
That's my
Damn. Baby built nice though. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. Ooh, she built. Ooh. Come on, you can't be doing petty crimes like this, man. Just go milk some guy for some money or something, baby. What you doing? What are you doing?
people think if the car owner can come pick up the car.
We'll figure that out.
I'm being very respectful.
No,
I
you
know
are.
I'm
Yeah, I
fucked
know.
up.
I know. Yeah, I
I'm
know.
being very
I know.
respectful.
Yes,
I'm not
you are.
trying to disrespect you. I'm just asking if it's a possibility that I can call.
Okay,
so I can
we'll
pick up the
see.
car.
We'll see on depending on how you cooperate from here on. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
All right. I'm gonna read you real quick your rights. Okay. Right. Yeah, you gotta help me on this real quick.
Can I do it?
Let's hear your cups real quick. Make sure they're locked.
Oh, I'm not gonna.
No, I know. No, not like it's good locked in terms of like so it won't get tighter for you. So it doesn't like put more pressure on your wrist.
Okay.
Okay. So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to the presence of an attorney prior to or while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed at county expense to represent you before any questioning if you so wish. If you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
Yes.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me or talk to us?
Tell me.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
Well, about the carving.
About everything that just happened now.
I'm asking you, can we pay for my troubles instead of going to jail? Because I know.
Well, listen, having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
I'm talking to you.
Yes or no? I need a yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, I don't know exactly what happened. Yeah.
Do I have his ID?
No. Your ID.
No, I don't have my ID.
You don't have your ID? None of these three?
That's my uncle and my cousins. We went out, so they didn't have a bag.
Okay. Social.
Can you call my husband off my phone?
Huh?
Can you call my husband off my phone? Like, can you do it? Like, just go to the car shop and tell him I can just say, come pick up the car?
Like I said, I'm going to figure that out at the end. Your car is the least of your worries right now. Literally, you're least of your worries. That's the last question you need to be asking right now. There's a lot of things we got to figure out first because obviously you committed a crime. So we're
right. Pay for it myself.
So I'm gonna ask you once and once only, okay, about what happened, and you need to tell me the exact truth. If you don't tell me the exact truth, that's gonna be on you. Okay. So tell me from exactly what happened, what you stole, everything from literally where you went.
Towels.
So huh? So what time? Who do you come here with?
I came here with my godbrother.
Okay, and what car?
This a white Chrysler.
Huh?
A white Chrysler.
A white Chrysler? Okay. And it's a parked in the parking lot right now?
Yes.
Okay. So then you parked in the parking lot with your godbrother, and what's his name?
Junior.
Junior? Okay, with Junior. And then after that, you guys, what happened after that?
I went in and I grabbed some towels.
Okay.
Yeah.
Grab some, that's it. So you're telling me all you did is grab some towels, no other items?
No, it was mainly towels and
So you're admitting to stealing these towels?
I'm compromising with you.
Okay, I know.
I'm not trying to be the truck.
No. I'm just understand. I want to understand that you're admitting to. You're understanding that you just. I want you to understand this is a crime. Like you understand that's wrong, right?
I totally understand, but I'm not going to give you extra trouble. Like I'm not a trouble. I'm not trying to give you problems.
So you admit to taking the towels without paying for them, and also what else you admit to taking?
The towels without paying for them, and what else was in the cart? It was some a knife set.
Knife set. Okay. All those items in the cart. Those are all items that you took, and you were gonna plan on taking them out of the store without paying for them, right? The shopping cart that I saw in your hands, correct?
The shopping cart that you see in my hands. You said what?
Those 2 shopping carts that you had when I stopped you over there before I handcuffed you.
I had 1 shopping cart and have 2 shopping carts. Maybe my godbrother had 1 and I had 1.
No, you had 2 right there. You had 2, and then you had 2 shopping carts.
I had 1 shopping cart. I had 1 shopping cart.
Okay, so everything in that shopping cart you admit to obviously stealing, right?
I had the shopping cart with the beddings. I had the shopping cart with the sheets in it.
With the sheets. Okay, so those sheets you weren't planning to pay for, right?
I mean,
because you passed all points of sale, right? You passed the store, so you were obviously gonna. We're gonna resell it. We're gonna resell it. We're gonna use.
I was really trying to do a return. I stood at the return line originally.
Okay. And then so you're passing them, and then what were you planning on doing after? You're gonna just use them for your house, or you're gonna like return them later, or sell them later? Like, what was the purpose of you stealing?
Just being dumb. I was just being dumb.
Okay. Well, I know. But what was the purpose? You were gonna use it?
No.
You weren't gonna use it, so you're just stealing for not your own use.
That's why I was asking. Can I just pay my troubles? Like, if I can, I know sometimes they work.
No. Okay. Let's say we never caught you. Let's say none of this happened. Let's say you just walked out.
I really
what were you gonna do with those?
Done.
You don't know what you're gonna do.
I really want to know what I would have done.
All right. Give me a second, okay? Hey, Martin. You 54? You 29 ShyGotEm?
Are you really gonna ask for the?
Honestly, I believe that. I believe that. I believe that she didn't know what she was gonna do with the towels or whatever. I think that she was just trying to do what she could do, and then she was gonna figure out the rest afterwards. I honestly do believe that.
Because I don't want it to be.
But I think she got something in that car, though. I think she got something in that car, man, because she's too. Can somebody pick up the car? Can somebody come get the car? Can somebody? I think they need to search that car because they're going to find something, boy.
1692. Huh? Felony?
Yeah, 782.
Okay.
No way we can like pay our troubles.
No, ma'am.
you're good.
That point has already been passed, and it's a felony amount of what you
it's a
took.
felony?
Yeah, it's a felony. Anything over $750 in the state of Florida. It's like $782 total. Okay. What's your first name?
Lexus.
Lexus or Alexis? Alexis. AL.
EXIS. I thought you got all the information on
Yeah, that's all right. I like to get it myself. How tall are you?
I don't know, 5'4".
How much do you weigh?
I'm not sure. I'm not trying to give you a hard time. I really don't know.
You have any tattoos?
I do.
Where?
Hey, you confirm his ID, right? You got a photo? Okay.
And did you have a Florida driver's license?
No, it's not on.
Not on you, but you have it. You actually went to the DMV, got your picture taken? Okay. All right, great.
The suspect was arrested, charged with felony grand theft, and quickly learned this wasn't reality TV, it was just reality. The judge gave her 12 months probation. Think she'll try that scam again?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.